Ever get a package that's wrapped in this kind of nonsense? And you just can't find a knife or a scissor to cut these things? Let me show you a little secret. Usually, this would be the top of the box. Well, usually on the bottom of the box, where the two pieces are conjoined, like this. Just take that, find a little tab, and I do this with my right hand. Give it a little tug. A lot of times you got to roll it over to the back side. They pop right off. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You don't need no scissors. It's a lot easier if you use scissors, but in our house, scissors have a tendency to disappear. Just like that. Now you just need to get a knife. Cut the tape. Where's my knife? Hope you found this helpful. Do all the things. Like, share, subscribe. Look down on doobly-doo. Description there for what's in the box.